They told me not to bring sand to the beach. But what if you came with two bad ones? Huh? We the shit. You better get your plunger. Feeling like the rat. I'ma bring that thunder. Yeah. Your swag stupid. My swag dumber. Here come that wife. KOWABUNga. Here come that wife. Here come that wife. Here come that wife. KOWABUNga. Yeah. Here come that wife. Here come that wife. Here come that wife. KOWABUNga. Grab your swimming trunks. Grab your surfboards. Presidential swag. Bitch, I'm not Al Gore. No sprint service, but I'm with a 10 every minute. And I see you with them ducks like Howard. I'm with a red popper. We at Red Lobster eating shrimp fettuccine and some clam chowder. First you get the money, then you get the power. Money on my mind, every hour on the hour. Look at them haters' faces, they lookin' sour. I'm with a yellow chick, the same color as lemon heads. She drunk my pimp juice, this shit broke bread. This shit broke bread, this shit broke bread. She drunk my pimp juice, this shit broke bread. Like the Last Supper, got my cash upper.
Canary, you been in the gym?
Now my pockets getting buffer. Fuck the competition, we gon' make their ass suffer. We the shit, you better get your plunger. Feeling like the rat, I'ma bring that thunder. Your swag stupid, my swag dumber. Here come that wife, KOWABUNga. Here come that wife, here come that wife. Here come that wife, KOWABUNga. Here come that wife, here come that wife. Here come that wife, KOWABUNga.
Bitch, I'm about to cook up. Sky boys, look up. She your Tinkerbell, I'm about to Captain hook up. Looking for your main, now you know I probably took up. Earthquake bars, how I leave these niggas shook up. Been fucking cougars since they was pumas. If that killing everything, and no, that's not a rumor. No sir, finna fuck the game up. Watch how I do her. Smoking on some green sticky shit. God damn. Ill, no nigga, it's I. Call me Mr. G5. Smoking some Cloud 99. I probably never come down. Whole nother universe posted on my old planet. Had to take my slam to the dentist, it had too much candy. Bitch, I got that wave, and I ain't talking type of fade. Yo, shit look like Beyonce, but she love to say my name. Imposter ass niggas get whipped, slave. And I just kill a beat, now watch me put it in a grave. I got that wave.
We the shit, you better get your plunger. Feeling like the rat, I'ma bring that thunder. Your swag stupid, my swag dumber. Here come that wife, KOWABUNga. Here come that wife, here come that wife. Here come that wife, KOWABUNga. Here come that wife, here come that wife. Here come that wife, KOWABUNga.
There go that wave, that ocean spray, get fresher every day. She gave me pleasure play. This not the Addams family, this not where Fester stay. The pressure may burst on any day, fuck first on any date. But I chose to wait, took the cash away. Ganoderma got me feeling like I'm surfing waves, but I'm bagging babes on an average day. Chose up, shouted, what my ID say. This hug a hottie day, no days of modern day. Beat a bitch pussy up, kick a nigga ass. Fall the fuck back and watch the sky sing smash. Beat a bitch pussy up, kick a nigga ass. Fall the fuck back and watch the sky sing smash.